So, hi guys, good morning. We are here today in Damar. We're gonna clean Samsung split type. The customer says it doesn't produce enough cooling. So, we'll try to clean it first. So, as you can see, the setting is 18 degrees Celsius, but we reach 26. A little bit way out of the required cooling. It's supposed to be 17 or 16 degrees Celsius. So that's it. We're gonna try to clean it first. Stand by. So guys, as you can see, the filter is so much dirty. We have to remove the filter. Okay, stand by again. Thank you. So we're going to remove the casing. We have to unclip these clips. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 clips, so that we could remove the casing. Remember, this is Samsung split type. Okay, stand by. So guys, be careful with Samsung because you might not see the clips over here in front, but it has clip at the back side. So we must what you call this, flip this one so that you can remove the under casing. This one, no exposed screw, but you have to unclip the inside so that you can remove the lower portion of the casing of the Samsung. Okay, by the way, when removing this casing, you have to use flat screw so that you could lift the clip. You can force this, you might break the clip inside. Use the flat screw to unclip the inside clip. Okay, you can see this, guys, inside. Just use the flat screw. Stand by. We're done over here. We just removed the lower portion. I didn't able to video it because I'm only one and no one's handling the cell phone, but I have already instructed you how to remove this lower casing. So we have to separate this one for cleaning now, later, and then we move on to removing the main casing. This main casing, we can remove this through this screw down there, down over here. There are 2 screws down over here. You might not see it, but it has 2 screws. Okay, now that I have removed the 2 screws holding the main casing, I can remove down the main casing. I can remove it now. So that then next is we have to remove this lower, so that we could clean it totally. Okay, we have already removed the main casing, so we're gonna follow next on removing this lower. This one, it's very easy to remove this one, but we have to be careful. We have to start inside. Going outside, we have to unclip this one first, these 2 clips, and then follow right over here, and then remove through this fan motor. As we can observe, this AC unit is a little bit dirty, so we have to clean it. Okay, now that we have already exposed the indoor unit, we will cover it with AC cover so that we could start cleaning na. Okay, next up, we have to cover this with plastic so that the water won't get into the PC board. This part is very critical, not to be exposed to water. It might short up when we open the unit, so we have to cover this part. And then also right here in at the bottom, we have to make sure that the AC clean was also clipped so that no drips will flow on the walls of the customer. We have to clip it. Yeah, you can see the clip over here. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna start to clean the AC unit now. And sige, let's move on. Guys, we have to pause the video because this might take too long and my memory of the cell phone can accumulate them. So we'll resume video in it when we get a little work na lang. Thank you so much. Okay guys, next up we're gonna clean this main casing and then the lower cover and the louver. So we're going to clean it also. Then after that we're going to clean also the outdoor unit. This is the outdoor unit. Okay. So now I'm drying it up so that I could reinstall it later, but first I'm going to wipe it dry so that I could finalize my cleaning. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this AC cover, and after that I'm going to return all the casings so that we could finally close this cleaning procedure. So I think the cleaning has been performed well naman. We're doing the steam machine and the pressure wash and also the condenser area. I can't be able to produce any video on closing the casing of indoor unit because I'm only one, no one's gonna hold the camera. So we have already installed the main casing. Now we're going to put the screws over here. This one. Okay. And this one. Right over here. Okay. We're going to get the amperage. Line 1. Wait a minute. So we're reading only 2 ampere. So we're having this AC unit is producing 2.4 ampere, but the rated ampere is 7. As you can see, it can reach up to 10 ampere, but the rated ampere is 7.2. So it's a little bit way too far from the required ampere. So I think there is a problem. I think there could be a leaking on the system because most of these AC unit, they produce at least 7 ampere, but this one only produces 2.3 ampere. So I could suggest to the customer that we could recharge it with the refrigerant so that we could reach the at least 5 ampere. But as we can see, it is cooling naman, both discharge and suction. Yeah, discharge a little bit cold and suction a little bit warm, but there's no problem naman with that. So I think we could suggest, we could observe that it's increasing naman. Now it's 5. I think the system is good naman. It just ramp up. That's why kalilinis lang kasi, so siguro nag-ramp up pa. Ayun. So now it's already 5.3 ampere.
Okay na?
Apa.
Oh, David, thank you sa paglinis ng aircon ko. At least mamayang gabi, malamig na yung tulog. Salamat. Thank you, David.
Yun. Yun. Yan nga pala po si Sir Michael. At maraming salamat din po, Sir Michael, sa inyong pagpatronize sa aming AC cleaning services. Thank you so much. God bless and bye-bye. Salamat po.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.